Imagine this, you are super hungry. You eat one whole pizza and then grab another two slices from the next one. Now tell me, how many pizzas did you eat? One, two, or something in between. So let's figure it out with fractions. So today we'll learn different types of fractions. So let's first learn about proper fractions. So 1 by 2, 3 by 4, or 2 by 5. All these are proper fractions. So a proper fraction is a fraction where the numerator is smaller than the denominator. So here you can see all these fractions have a smaller numerator than the denominator. That means the value is always less than 1. Example, a pizza is cut into 4 equal parts and you eat 3 slices. That means you have eaten 3 by 4th of the pizza. So the fraction is 3 by 4. So now let's look at a few more examples. As you can see here, the first pizza is cut into 12 equal pieces and 2 pieces are eaten. So the fraction is 2 by 12. The second pizza is cut into 8 equal pieces and 3 pieces are eaten. The fraction is 3 by 8. The third pizza is cut into 12 equal pieces and 3 pieces are eaten. So the fraction is 3 by 12. So all these are proper fractions. You are only taking part of the whole, that is always less than 1. Now tell me, is this a proper fraction? Yes, because 2 is smaller than 3. So 2 by 3 is a proper fraction. Now let's learn improper fractions. So here 6 by 6, 9 by 3, or 7 by 5. So all these fractions are improper fractions. So improper fractions are the fractions where the numerator is equal to or greater than the denominator. So here you can see the value is always equal to or greater than 1 whole. If I eat 5 slices, is it 5 by 4 or 5 by 8? So a lot of students get confused here, but don't worry, I'll make it super simple. So let's find out the real reason behind it. We have 2 pizzas. We cut each into 4 equal pieces. So the total pieces are 8, correct? 4 plus 4. So 8 slices are there in total. Now the question is, if I eat 5 slices, that is 4 slices from the first pizza, that is 1 whole, and 1 more slice from the next pizza. So is that 5 by 8? Because the total pieces are 8. Seems correct, right? But wait. Here the question is, we have cut the pizza into 4 equal parts. That means the size of each slice is 1 by 4. Correct? So that means all the slices are 1 by 4. We have cut into. So now if we will add, so we will see 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 5 times, right? We are going to add it 5 times because I have eaten 5 slices of 1 by 4th size each. So that means 4 slices, 1 by 4 from here and then 1 from here. So now what we are going to get, we will add it, we will get 5 by 4, right? Because the denominators are same, so we are not going to add that. So we have just added the numerator. So that means I have eaten 5 by 4th of the pizza and not 5 by 8 of the pizza. If anybody still has a question, why 5 by 4, why not 5 by 8? So 5 by 8 means that our slice size is 1 by 8, right? And that is not correct. We have not divided the pizza into 8 parts, we have divided the pizza into 4 parts. That means each part is 1 by 4. Each slice size is 1 by 4 and not 1 by 8. Let's see one more example. So here 2 pizzas are cut into 4 equal parts each, and if you ate one whole pizza and 2 pieces from the other, then so you ate 6 by 4th of the pizza. Is this an improper fraction? Yes, because 8 is bigger than 5. So can we write 6 by 4th as 1, 2 by 4? Yes, because I ate one whole pizza, that's the one, and 2 slices from the next pizza, which is 2 by 4. So can we write 5 by 4 as 1 by 4? Yes, we can write it because I have eaten one whole pizza and 1 slice from the next pizza, and the size of each slice was 1 by 4. So we can write 5 by 4 as 1 by 4 as well. So here you can see that we have one whole and a proper fraction together. So whenever we have a whole and a proper fraction together, we call it a mixed fraction. Okay, so the next type is mixed fraction. A mixed fraction has a whole number and a proper fraction together, so its value is always more than one whole. Imagine you have 2 chocolates like this, and you ate one whole chocolate and half from the next chocolate. That means you ate one whole chocolate plus half from the other one. So that can be written as 1 by 2. Correct? So that means we have 1 and a proper fraction together. So this is the mixed fraction. So it is used when we eat, buy or measure things in more than one whole. Let's see how 11 by 5 can be written as mixed fractions. So here I have 3 chocolates and I have divided each chocolate into 5 equal pieces. So the size of each piece is 1 by 5, correct? So here you can see I have eaten one whole chocolate, then again I have eaten one whole chocolate. That means I have eaten 2 whole chocolates and a piece from the third chocolate. So that means I have eaten 2 whole chocolates plus 1 by 5, right? Because here the size of the chocolate bar is 1 by 5. So 2 plus 1 by 5. So it can be written as 2 1 by 5, which is a mixed fraction. So we can write 11 by 5 as 2 1 by 5. Now it's your turn. Now tell me which type of fraction these are. So today we learned 3 types of fractions: proper fractions, less than 1, improper fractions, 1 or more than 1, mixed fractions, whole number plus a proper fraction. In our next video, we will learn how to convert improper fractions into mixed fractions step by step. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Tutor Connect.